spouse just told you that they want a divorce. What do you do? What you do next can cost you not only economically, it could also impact your parental and custody rights, impact where you live, how you live, and force you to incur avoidable legal fees. Let me tell you how to protect yourself. Hi, I'm Daniel Clement. I'm a divorce attorney with offices in New York and New Jersey. And I help people who are going through divorce protect themselves and to get the best possible result, either through a negotiated settlement or in court. So, you just found out that your spouse wants to divorce you, or you've been served with divorce papers. Your initial reaction may be to avoid conflict and voluntarily move from the marital home. Or you may sign some papers that your spouse plopped in front of you. But that would be a big mistake. Before you do anything, you have to speak to an attorney. What you do next will greatly impact the outcome of your divorce, both in terms of finances, in terms of custody and access to your children, and affect rights that you may not even yet be aware of. While the impact of the divorce may be devastating and stressful, you don't want to make mistakes that will cause more stress and that will be very expensive to correct. So here are some of the mistakes that you should not make. Number one, don't move out of the marital home without having a custody or access agreement in place. You don't want your children to be used as pawns in a divorce. And you don't want to have to fight for access. Absent domestic violence, there's no reason why you should have restricted access to your children. Even if you immediately went to court, it would be weeks or months and thousands of dollars in legal fees before a court made an interim parenting schedule. If you're leaving the marital home and leaving the children in the custody and care of your spouse, it is imperative that you have a custody or access agreement in place. 2, resist the temptation to clean out the marital bank accounts. Nothing good comes from a money grab. In fact, once a divorce action starts, you're prohibited from transferring marital assets. So any leverage that you may get from transferring money from a joint account to your separate account would be short-lived. Your spouse will certainly go to court, and you will be vilified for the entirety of the case. 3, have some understanding of the debts, particularly the mortgage on the marital home, and have an agreement or an understanding of how the debts are going to be paid. You don't want to risk missing mortgage payments, defaulting on your debts, and ruining your credit. There is no one-size-fits-all answer on how next to proceed. But here is what I do know. The sooner you act to protect yourself, the more likely you're going to get the outcome that you're looking for. And that's why getting legal representation early on is going to get you the best possible outcome in your divorce. Should you find yourself going through divorce, don't make mistakes that will cost you. Call us. We're here to help and guide you through the divorce process. Call us. Let us help navigate you through this difficult time.